How to add a box shadow to elements on Wix. In order to do that, what we can do is we can just select an element right here that we want to add a box shadow into. So for example, we have in here this text option. You can just head over and then click on that particular text, and you can see in here this edit text option. Click on it right here, and then it will open the text settings. So we have in here the font size, and under that you can see this effects option. So just expand it, and you can see in here this shadow option. So by block shadow, we are referring to the shadow wherein it will be visible per letter. So you can just choose this one, which is the D option. Now let me show you what it looks like when I exit this. So as you can see, it will have a sort of an outline and it will serve as your shadow. So you can also customize it by heading over again to the text settings, and then you can add some more shadows as well as amplify the effect of that particular shadow. So that's how you add a back shadow to elements on Wix. Hope we helped.